So I installed a new bash guard from Deliverance Components. Kind of doubles as a bit of a chain guide. And bash guard, I quite like that. Pretty cool. It's a prototype, 3D printed right in Vancouver. We are taking the budget bike out to the Langford Gravity Zone, the Polygon Colossus N7 over here. I finally installed a water bottle cage and my one-up tool here. I also put on a new handlebar, Chromag Foo 40, so I got some more rise on this thing. The handlebar on before was probably like a 15mm rise. It was pretty minimal. So beautiful day here in Victoria, BC. So let's ride some bikes. All right guys, Wildcat. I've never actually ridden this upper part yet. So for the first lap up here, let's just do the full blue float trail. This one's pretty well built. It's pretty sick. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this bike is feeling pretty good. I do like the more rise on the handlebar. It's feeling great. So I'm still nursing my left elbow. I hurt it at Big White a while ago, about almost 5 weeks ago now. So that really put a damper on my riding for the last month. So I'm just kind of warming back up again from that little injury. Okay, riding under peanut butter knife right there. Yeah, this is a well-built blue trail. It's good. It's good fun. Budget bikes riding great. Nice. Glad my arm is feeling good too. I did ride in Whistler a couple days ago to try out my arm. It's feeling pretty good, but I also was holding back. Okay, that is Wildcat. It's good fun. Perfect trail conditions. Okay, this dirt is like a mixture of peanut butter and chocolate, you guys. It is so sick. I'm filming this October 7th today, and yeah, it's absolutely incredible out today. So I'm filming on the new Insta360 Ace Pro 2, so that is super cool. I'm super excited. All right, let's try out a new trail out of hand. This was not here last year. Looks pretty sick. Look at that. Ah, that is so cool. What is going on? We got a drop. Cool. Nice. Oh shoot, I do not know the trail at all. But this is sick. I love the use of rocks out here. Dang, I need to get to know this trail. Crap. This is a pretty cool trail. Whoa. Okay. This looks like it's worth re-riding. Whoa! And what do we got here? Okay. This is actually really cool. Nice. Okay, I was quite impressed with that. I'm gonna have to ride that again. Look at these trees. This bark is awesome. Okay, now I'm trying out log mode. I wanna ride Berm Reynolds. before we ride that out of hand trail again, let's check out this one. All right, Berm Reynolds is a good one. So I'm trying out log mode right now on my Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Curious what you guys think of this. They got a lot that I'm applying on it as well. Sick. Yeah, it's exciting. Insta360 is a new sponsor now for the channel, which is exciting, super exciting. Whew. All right, flat part of the trail. Whew. Man, I just like, frick. It was like my third rides in a month because of my dumb little elbow injury. Okay. So forgive me for feeling kind of rusty. Whew. I know I can ride a lot better, but I'm just taking it easy. Cool. Okay, so one thing I'm noticing about the Polygon Colossus N7 here, I'm hearing some of the spokes not being quite the tightest. I'm just gonna check them over a second here. Yeah, I got this a few months ago. I haven't ridden it a ton yet, but it's my, yeah, it's a Polygon Colossus N7. So it's kind of different. It's a little bit different than what I normally ride, honestly, but I did dent the rear wheel here. That probably has something to do with those loose spokes. I think this was on the heli drop ride that I did in Whistler. Skills zone. Let's do it, everyone. Let's do the double black drop. All right. Okay, I want to ride a trail called Peanut Butter Knife Fight. So why don't we head over there? Just over here. Single black diamond. Okay. Oof. So I put in more air pressure into my rear wheel because, yeah, I was noticing these tires are a bit on the flimsier side, and I do not want to be dinging my rims a bunch. I need to put some foam inserts into these tires. I got some Tannis foam inserts already. Tannis has been giving me some free products, so I'm super stoked. I've got to put some of their stuff in. That'll be a good upgrade for this bike. These tires are a little on the flimsier side. All right. Yeah, I've just been, what am I doing? Just been testing out this Insta360 Ace Pro 2 for the last week quite a lot. So we'll see how all this footage looks. That was 4K 30 frames. Now doing 4K 60 frames. This camera is like super good in low light. So it's kind of exciting to see just how well my footage will turn out as it gets darker. Okay. All right. Nice, that was sick. Woo, nice. Yeah, these conditions are so good. Oh, that's the end already. Oh, it's a sick trail. Jumps are sweet. Yeah, I feel like I either need more air pressure in these tires. I can kind of feel them being a little too weak. Like I'm not supported enough. So I really need those foam inserts. That'll really help with these tires. But some of it, maybe the 29-inch wheels, they'll have more flex because they're just bigger. And I'm not really used to the 29-inch wheels so much, so I wonder how much that's what it is, right? But to try out one of the coolest trails on the whole mountain. Snake Hole DH. Okay, I gotta say, I am kind of afraid of like dinging my rims on some of those rocks. So I'm trying to be careful with some of that. I guess I just don't have enough confidence in these tires, to be honest. Whoops. Okay. I don't really care. I'm just going for it. What is going on here? Look at that. Oh, so good. So good. Feels good to ride these trails again. Nice. I'm just stoked that my elbow is handling all this well. So one thing I can definitely say, I do prefer the 27.5 wheels, especially in the back. Some of those corners, yeah, I don't know. I do prefer 27.5 wheel in the rear for sure. And I think I have to say the same for the front wheel as well. Yeah, I mean, it's good to get more experience with the 29er and really see what it can do, right? All right, that'll be it for today's video. I know I wasn't riding the best, but hey, the trails were pretty sweet, weren't they? If you guys are looking for a sweet, cheaper enduro bike, I would recommend you take a look at the Polygon Colossus N7 for around $2,000 US. Yeah, it's a pretty good value for the money, I would say. Got a link for the bike in the description and in the comments. It's an affiliate link. I get a commission. So if you want to buy the bike, I'd greatly appreciate if you use that. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this installed into the rear wheel. I think it definitely needs it.